Hi, welcome. This video is about teaching methods. What are teaching methods? Teaching methods are those strategies used by a teacher to help a student learn. Now, these strategies depend on the material to be taught and the grade level to be taught. Now, what are these methods? We have the lecture method, the demonstration method, the group discussion method, the question and answer method, the project method, and to an extent you can use the assignment method. Now, as long as mathematics is concerned, not all of these methods can be used. Some of these methods are best used to teach mathematics. These are the method of demonstration, the group discussion method, the problem solving method, the questioning method, and you can use assignment. Remember that you cannot use only one method to achieve your objectives. You can always combine two or more of these methods to teach the students well. Again, the age, grade level, and content to be taught are the parameters for choosing which teaching method or methods are to be used. Now, when it comes to mathematics, you need to be very patient, because if you are not very patient, you may choose the wrong method. In my next video, I will explain when and where each of these teaching methods can be applied effectively. What I mean is, I will explain at what level of your teaching that each particular method is very suitable. Thank you for watching, and hope this will guide you to use the appropriate method to teach mathematics, and if possible, other subjects. Have a nice time.